In 1965, Britain was buzzing with confidence. The economy was growing, new motorways were connecting towns and cities, fashion was changing, music was changing, and for many people, the car parked outside the house had become a symbol of success. A car was no longer just a way to get from one place to another. It reflected who you were. Some cars showed that you had made it. Others showed that you were getting there. And a few became the objects of dreams for an entire generation. In showrooms across Britain, families, businessmen, and young professionals all had their eyes on a handful of special vehicles. Some were practical, some were luxurious, some were surprisingly fast, but all of them were cars that people wanted. So tonight, we're counting down 10 British cars everyone wanted in 1965. And stay with us until the end, because our number one choice was pure class. Number 10, the Austin Cambridge. Produced by the British Motor Corporation, the Austin Cambridge was one of Britain's most familiar family cars. By 1965, it could be seen almost everywhere. Its styling was neat and respectable. The four-cylinder engine offered dependable performance. It wasn't designed to be exciting. It was designed to be useful. Families appreciated its practicality. Business owners liked its reliability. And drivers enjoyed its comfortable ride. The Cambridge represented sensible British motoring. For many households, it was the perfect family car.
Number 9. The Wolseley 1660. If you wanted to look successful without spending a fortune, the Wolseley 1660 was a popular choice. Introduced by BMC in 1961, it shared many components with ordinary family cars, but it looked far more expensive. The chrome grille gave it a distinguished appearance. Inside, there were polished wood panels and comfortable seating. The engine was modest, but smooth. Owners loved the image it projected. Park one outside your home in 1965, and people assumed you were doing rather well. Number 8. The Ford Cortina Mk1. Few cars captured Britain's imagination quite like the Ford Cortina. Introduced in 1962, it quickly became one of the country's best-selling vehicles. Its styling looked modern and clean. The engines were economical, and maintenance was straightforward. The Cortina appealed to almost everyone. Young families wanted one, company drivers wanted one. Even racing enthusiasts found reasons to admire it. It was affordable, dependable, and stylish. That combination made it one of Britain's favorite cars. Number 7. The Humber Super Snipe. The Humber Super Snipe was built for drivers who wanted luxury and prestige. Produced by the Roots Group, it offered a large cabin and elegant styling. The chrome details were impressive. The wide grille looked authoritative, and the interior provided plenty of comfort. Many professionals and executives chose the Super Snipe because it looked important. It carried an air of confidence, the kind of car that made people take notice when it arrived. In 1965, it was a respected symbol of success. Number 6. The Mini Cooper. The Mini was already famous by 1965, but the Mini Cooper took things to another level. Developed with racing driver John Cooper, it transformed the little Mini into a genuine performance car. The engine was lively, the handling was outstanding, and the compact dimensions made it perfect for Britain's busy streets. Young people loved it, celebrities bought them, and racing victories only added to its appeal. It proved that great things could come in small packages.
Number 5. The Triumph 2000. Introduced in 1963, the Triumph 2000 represented a more modern vision of British luxury. Its styling came from Italian designer Giovanni Michelotti. The result was sleek, elegant, and contemporary. Inside, passengers enjoyed comfort and refinement. The straight-six engine delivered smooth performance. Professionals were especially attracted to the Triumph. It looked sophisticated without appearing old-fashioned. In many ways, it represented the modern Britain of the mid-1960s. Ambitious buyers loved everything about it. Number 4. The Rover P5. By 1965, the Rover P5 had become one of Britain's most prestigious saloons. The design was elegant and understated. There was no need for flashy styling. The quality spoke for itself. Inside, drivers found rich wood veneers and luxurious seating. The ride was smooth and quiet. Government ministers often traveled in Rover P5s. Business leaders admired them, and many buyers dreamed of owning one. The Rover represented success without showing off. That made it highly desirable. Number 3, the Jaguar Mark II. The Jaguar Mark II was one of the most admired cars on British roads. Produced by Jaguar from 1959 onward, it combined luxury and performance in a way few rivals could match. Its graceful curves gave it elegance. Its powerful 6-cylinder engines gave it speed. The interior featured polished walnut and soft leather. Everything about the car felt special. Doctors drove them, businessmen drove them, and many motorists simply dreamed about owning one. The Jaguar Mark II offered prestige with excitement. That was a powerful combination. Number 2, the Daimler V8 250. Daimler had long been associated with royalty and prestige. The V8 250 brought that image within reach of more buyers. Introduced in 1962, it combined luxury, performance, and refinement. Its compact V8 engine provided smooth power. The cabin featured beautiful craftsmanship. Wood trim and leather upholstery were everywhere. Most importantly, it carried the Daimler name.
Number 1, the Jaguar E-Type. When the Jaguar E-Type appeared in 1961, it stunned the automotive world. By 1965, it remained one of the most desirable cars on the planet. Its appearance was breathtaking. The long bonnet stretched ahead dramatically. The sleek body looked like nothing else on the road. Even parked, it seemed fast. Under the bonnet sat a powerful 6-cylinder engine capable of remarkable performance. Yet it wasn't only about speed. The E-Type represented style. It represented freedom. It represented success. Film stars wanted one. Racing drivers admired one. Ordinary people dreamed of one. Few cars have ever generated such excitement. Many experts still consider it one of the most beautiful cars ever built. For Britain in 1965, the Jaguar E-Type was the ultimate aspiration. It was pure class. These cars reflected a remarkable period in British history. The country was changing. People were becoming more optimistic. Opportunities seemed endless. And cars became symbols of ambition and achievement. Some of these vehicles were practical family cars. Others were luxurious status symbols. But every one of them helped define Britain's roads during the mid-1960s. Today, they survive as treasured classics. They appear at car shows, they attract crowds wherever they go, and they continue to remind us of a time when British motoring stood proudly among the world's best. Because these cars were more than machines. They were dreams on wheels. And for the people of 1965, they represented everything that was exciting about the future.